How to get Minecraft font in Roblox mobile. So to do this, first of all, use a mobile browser to search for Minecraft style font here. So I'll just go to Google, right, and search for Minecraft font style, right? Just go to the Google here, search for Minecraft font style, right? And here you can just go to this option, Minecraft fonts here, like da fonts or font square, whichever website, right? We just need to know the name. So this is right, this is the name here. I don't know what's the name, it is in a different language, so we can just download here. Now create a text as an image. Utilize a photo editing app such as a Canva or PixArt on your mobile device. Write out the desired text using the download Minecraft font here, right? So you have to write something, and since Roblox mobile does not allow assets upload, you will need to switch to Roblox Studio on your desktop. You can't do it on your phone, unfortunately. Upload the image which you created as a decal or image label within your game user interface and upload it. You can incorporate this image into your game, allowing players to see Minecraft style text in your Roblox creation. So these are the only ways, guys, and this is the best way. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.